Richard Gladstein, who has served as Dean of the American Film Institute's AFI Conservatory for the past 18 months, is exiting his post, the organization said Monday. The graduate film school's Michael Chung, Vice Dean of Administration, and Tom Engfer, Vice Dean of Academic Affairs, have been appointed co-interim deans. Both will report to AFI President and CEO Bob Gazzale. AFI, which just wrapped its AFI Fest 2018 last week, said a search for a permanent replacement is underway. Gladstein said that in AFI's announcement today he was moving on to new opportunities but offered no other details. He had been in the post one academic year. Said Gazzale, "We appreciate Richard's contributions to the conservatory, and we wish him well in his future endeavors." Gladstone was appointed dean in May 2017, taking over for Jan Schuette. He has been nominated for 2 Best Picture Oscars, The Cider House Rules and Finding Neverland. Among producer credits that include the Quentin Tarantino-directed The Hateful Eight, he was an EP on Tarantinos Reservoir Dogs, Pulp Fiction, and Jackie Brown. Other credits include the Bourne Identity, Hurlyburly, Mr. Magoriums Wonder Emporium, The Nanny, Diaries and She's All That. The AFI Conservatory, which offers 2-year MFA programs in directing, screenwriting, producing, cinematography, editing and production design, is in the midst of accepting applications for the fall 2019 school year.
What do you think about it? Share your opinion in the comments below the video. And also subscribe to the channel not to miss new, interesting videos.